How to fix the Roblox application not working on your iPad. So, in order to fix this issue, you need to first make sure that your Wi Fi is working correctly. Make sure that it's strong and stable. Otherwise, you can try restarting your router or turn the airplane mode on for a few seconds and turn it back off. You can also try reconnecting to your Wi Fi to make sure that the Roblox application works properly. After that, you need to go ahead and launch your settings application on your iPad. Here, let's try offloading or deleting the Roblox application. So, for that, from the left hand side of the screen, you need to go ahead and tap on General, then go to iPad storage and find Roblox and tap on it. Here, you'll get two different options of offload app and delete app. Go ahead, tap on any one of those options that you prefer. And if you decide to delete the application completely from your device, tap on delete app, which is highlighted in red color. And once it has been uninstalled, you can go ahead, open the App Store on your device, and then search for Roblox and reinstall it on your iPad. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.